Dumpster rental service in Phoenix, Arizona. If you're in Phoenix, Arizona, and need a dependable dumpster rental service, For Freedom Construction is your go-to solution. Whether you're clearing out your home, working on a renovation, or managing debris from a construction site, we provide affordable, efficient, and reliable dumpster rental services tailored to your needs. At For Freedom Construction, we offer a variety of dumpster sizes, so you can choose what best fits your project. Not sure which size you need? Our experienced team is here to guide you through the process, ensuring you only pay for what you need. We pride ourselves on prompt delivery and flexible scheduling to keep your project running smoothly. Once your dumpster is full, give us a call, and we'll handle the pickup and disposal. From household clutter and yard waste to heavy-duty construction debris, we make cleanup quick and hassle-free. As a company committed to eco-friendly practices, we ensure proper waste disposal and recycling wherever possible. By choosing For Freedom Construction, you're not just clearing out waste, you're contributing to a cleaner, greener Phoenix. Contact For Freedom Construction today at 602-975-3747 for a fast, affordable, and stress-free dumpster rental experience. Let us handle the mess so you can focus on your project. Reliable service is just a phone call away.